हाय एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम और टू माय या वीडियो। तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं धर्मेंद्र जी का रेजिग्नेशन लेटर, और मैंने इसे कर दिया है इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट, क्योंकि मेरे को पता है कि तुम सब नेटफ्लिक्स वगैरह वॉच करते हो, यू डोंट हैव टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड सच टफ लेवल ऑफ हिंदी, सो लेट्स जस्ट गो एंड रीड। ठीक है, सो माय यंग फ्रेंड्स, ओके, एवरीबडी इज एड्रेसिंग अस एज फ्रेंड्स विच इज़ वेरी नाइस, बट चलो। My young friends, yes, for more than 4 decades I have been dedicated to students, teachers and the improvement of education system. Yes, 4 decades say you are improving education system, and education system is looking like go to government school and see what is happening. Okay, there is no proper nothing. Anyways, but improve हो रहा है. I have always believed that a strong, inclusive and compassionate education system is the foundation of a strong nation. Okay, you believed. He said he believed. Okay. I deeply respect the aspiration, emotions and the legitimate expectation of the youth of the country. Okay, you deeply respect. That is also nice. Fulfilling the dreams of the India's younger generation has been moral commitment for all of us in public and political life. I don't think so. I don't agree with this. I don't agree with this. क्योंकि I don't think so कि education आप compare कर लो यार इंडिया और बाकी के देशों में, कि do you think it is not even bare minimum. Okay, it is not even bare minimum. तभी तो brain drain हो रहा है. I express my gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister for giving me opportunity to serve nation under his visionary leadership. First, thank you to PM. Okay. However, in the view of the irregularities that came into light in NEET UG examination held on 3 May 2026, the Government of India acted immediately, handing the investigation over to CBI and cancelled the examination. They are always highlighting that the government acted immediately, but that's not the victory, right? The government should have actually worked so hard कि ऐसा होता ही ना. हार्ड भी क्या है तो बेयर मिनिमम है यार. मतलब इट्स नॉट अपॉन कि यू आर ऑलवेज हाईलाइटिंग कि हमने तो ये प्रिवेंट कर दिया. हम प्रिवेंट नहीं, हमने तो ये वो कर दिया, मतलब इसे बंद कैंसिल कर दिया, बट तुम ये प्रिवेंट करना था ना तुम्हें ये. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. दे आर ऑलवेज हाईलाइटिंग कि हमने वी हैव टुक एप्रोप्रिएट एक्शन, बट द एप्रोप्रिएट एक्शन शुड नॉट बी नीडेड. A fresh date of re-examination was announced. It was decided that beginning next year the examination will be conducted in computer-based test mode. उसमें भी बहुत तरीके से चीटिंग हो सकती है, though it is little difficult, but हो सकती है. But ठीक है चलो, at least they are trying. During this period, our foremost priority was to ensure smooth conduct of examination for more than 2 million students. They are actually always highlighting कि इतने लोग थे तो इट्स लिटिल टफ. सो दे आर ऑलवेज हाईलाइटिंग कि हाँ टफ तो था ये सब, बट इट्स ओके. मतलब क्या ही कर सकते हैं. दैट्स हाउ यू राइट अ रेजिग्नेशन लेटर. To achieve this, a whole of a government approach was adopted. Alongside the government of India, state governments, especially district administration, played a crucial role. Only people who were there to protest and who were raising their voice online, and only to the celebrities or the influencer who was raising their voice online before our PM said anything, were the most important in this. They only played the most important role. So yeah, with the cooperation of student guardians and the parents, examination was successfully conducted on 21st June. From the very first day, I assumed this responsibility and never turned away from this situation. Very defensive letter. Okay, I was determined that no deserving student future should be jeopardized because of examination mafias. I was determined. And then also it happened. Nor would we allow any student to face injustice. The NEET UG results announced on 16 July were satisfactory. Many talented students from economically disadvantaged backgrounds also achieve success. This line is just to highlight कि how economically disadvantaged students have been successful, क्योंकि of course वो तो पेपर लीक वो तो पेपर नहीं खरीद सकते ना. So this was genuine that we all did was actually successful. So this line was just to highlight that. However, during the period, certain individuals occupying positions of responsibility attempted to mislead students and create obstacles. This caused me in deep anguish. ठीक है यार, क्या ही बोल सकते हैं अब. एक सेकेंड. ही सेइंग कि उसके बाद भी लोगों को ब्रेन वॉश करा जा रहा है कि कैसे इट्स नॉट राइट. बट ठीक है. I've always had unwavering faith in the strength of democracy, and I always held the aspiration, dreams, and the legitimate expectations of a youth in the highest regard. He's always saying, "Mere, I am the best." He's saying, "I am the best," and okay. They are not only the future of India, but also the torch bearers, builders, and architects of the new and developed nation. The events of the past 10 days has deeply saddened me. It was past 26 days. It's not been going for just 10 days. If it was 10 days, nobody would have nobody would have resigned, okay? This is not a matter of personal prestige for me. The youth of India are the true strength of this nation. It is my resolve that the youth of country should never fall victim to confusion or misinformation. Okay, so he's actually saying it was a misinformation. It is my resolve that the youth of the country should never fall victim to confusion or misinformation. The situation that has unfolded at Jantar Mantar and across the country, no anti-national forces should be allowed to exploit the situation. The unity of our nation must remain intact. Not a single student future should become entangled in legal complexities. A student who should devote a time in education. Okay, with the consideration in mind, I've submitted my resignation to Honorable Prime Minister. I express my gratitude for gratitude दे रखा है इधर, and then I extend my sincere thanks to colleagues. ये सारा thankfulness के लिए है, and to everyone whom I had privilege working with, I offer my appreciation. Serving the nation is my highest priority of my life, and I shall remain steadfastly dedicated to that mission. With the blessings of Lord Jagannath, I will continue to dedicate myself in every possible way to fulfilling the aspirations of Mother India and the people of Odisha, the youth of our nation. Yours sincerely, Dharmendra Pradhan. Actually, I think मेरे हिसाब से बहुत डिफेंसिव लेटर था. मैंने स्ट्रीम में भी बोला था ये बहुत डिफेंसिव लेटर है. ओवरऑल एंडिंग अच्छी है कि हाँ थैंक यू कर दिया, बट डिफेंसिव है. बट यू नो इट डजंट मैटर. He has resigned. Yeah. तो मैंने ChatGPT से पूछा था how would you rate this letter out of 10, and he said 8.5 to 9. ये सब लाइव स्ट्रीम में हुआ था. And he also noticed the weakness जो मैंने पहले ही नोटिस कर ली थी. First of all, you are actually saying कि ठीक है एजुकेशन हम नीट का हमने पेपर कर लिया नीट का, बट बाकी सब चीज़ें भी आपको लिखनी चाहिए. that there are a lot of irregularities in the education system. See, limited personal accountability कि भाई he has not been accountable. He was always saying ki how I have always been committed to education, improving education. So yeah, defensive. He is also defensive, yes, and it does not outline the broader plan. Of course, I said that. Also, the improvement. This is the biggest gap. So improvement he needed that he should be more accountable. Okay, this is always this is all thing I've discussed. And about sounding defensive, तो ये तुम पढ़ लो यार. I've discussed about it. It was 8.5. How can I respond? Okay, this is weird, but yeah, this is just to highlight कि okay, this is just to reduce the praise for Prime Minister. Thanking is appropriate, but mentioning the leadership multiple times makes the letter feel less personal, more political, which is what is happening. Okay, which is what is happening. So this ChatGPT is also agreeing with. Okay, this is just to highlight कि yeah, letter was okay. तो मतलब I think बहुत ज़्यादा पॉलिटिकली भी चीज़ें चल रही होती है दैट यू हैव टू मेंटेन कि आपको कैसे लेटर लिखना है. बट ऑफ कोर्स आपने सब कुछ तो नहीं मेंशन करा दैट हाउ यू वर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट एंड स्टफ. ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं इसमें बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट इसलिए दे रही हूँ क्योंकि आपने रिज़ाइन कर दिया. सो थैंक यू फॉर रेजिग्नेशन सर. एंड दिस वाज हिज रेजिग्नेशन लेटर. आई जस्ट ट्रांसलेटेड इट क्योंकि मेरे को लग रहा था कि कोई लोग इसे पढ़ेंगे नहीं. लाइक आई वाज आल्सो नॉट प्लानिंग टू रीड इट. आई वाज लाइक रेजिग्नेशन हो गया, बहुत अच्छा हो गया. बट टू हु एवरीबडी हु वांट टू लाइक टेक a quick read on it, you can watch this. Share with your friends. That's it for the video. Thank you so much. I have not played any game in this video today, but yeah. And your respect जो गए जंतर मंतर प्रोटेस्ट पे एंड जिसने ऑनलाइन वॉइस रेस करी. आई थिंक यू वर द रियल हीरोज गाइस, हीरोज एंड हीरोइंस. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.